Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel Doorbell Ding Dong. In this episode, we're gonna see how to access hidden sites using Tor browser. Also, what are the sources available that will be predominantly giving us the hidden URL list and so on. So in this episode, we will be using Tor browser to access few sites in the dark web and deep web. Those sites are actually hidden from the surface net. And if you want to know how to install and configure the Tor browser, please do click on the above link just coming up on the screen, which will be directing you to the episode number 3 having related information. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's get into the topic right away. Firstly, we need to know the source where we get the list of URLs for us to access. To get that, we have to visit hiddenwiki.org website to check the cited URLs. So I'm gonna type Hidden Wiki in the search window and press enter. There you go. We got our website as a first instance. Let's get inside. I would like to caution you guys when you're accessing any of those the listed URLs, and even though if you want to visit any of those websites, we would recommend not to give your identity in any form, because after all our aim is to stay anonymous. Also, if you gonna give your information, then your safety will go for toss, and also our objective will be defeated. So make sure you're not accessing any websites without configuring your install or using any proper VPN on your system, because this URL might have some script creating a backdoor that will be possibly enabling an access for the hacker to get into your system. Now we have a list of URLs for us to check it out. If you see, the first category shows hidden service list in search engine, and on the first instance, if you see, the first one is the DuckDuckGo, which is a very popular search engine in the dark web and deep web. That is what even the Tor browser is using as a default browser. Also, there are a lot of categories for you to play with. For instance, under the commercial category, you can see there are fake IDs, guns, and Tor setup and everything. And predominantly, it's all the illegal activities that used to happen in the darknet. Also, there is one other category called email and messaging, so which will be allowing you to create an ID for us to communicate anonymously in the darknet and the deep web. Probably feel free to explore those options. Another interesting topic in the deep web is there is something called secure drop site for the whistleblowers and the journalists, wherein they can communicate in a secure way and exchange few information that is more sensitive and secret in nature. By the way, what is the term called whistleblower? Any person who identifies illegal activities happening in any private or public organization, and if he got some evidences that he want to share it to the public, then he can do it probably using a secure drop in the deep web. I'm gonna type secure drop and I'm gonna see what are the result I'm gonna get in the DuckDuckGo search engine, and this is what I'm getting it, and I'm further narrow it down by giving additional parameters and to check it out. Now I'm gonna click on website, assuming that is gonna give me the directory, the list of secure drop. Let's see what's coming up. Anyway, I have extracted the Forbes Onion URL, and that's what I'm gonna browse right now, and I'm getting into it, and this is how it's going to be. There are two options available: or you're returning user, or you're doing it for the first time. So once you click on the first time, you will be seeing a secret code, a code name that you have to store it somewhere to reinitiate the communication again. Okay guys, that's pretty much for this episode. I hope you like the information what we have shared. If you like it, give a thumbs up and please share our video, and of course please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and stay safe guys.